cut out pattern pieces according to your desired size. Be sure to notch out. Pin pattern to fabric, following appropriate cutting layout for your view and grain lines. Cut out the fabric around the pattern, cutting out around notches. Pin pattern pieces 3 and 4 to interfacing according to cutting layout. Cut out interfacing around pattern pieces, being sure to notch out. Mark the darts on the wrong side of the fabric first with a tracing wheel and paper. Then, mark the dots with pins and a marking pen appropriate for your fabric. Label the fabric pieces with your name, the piece number, and the piece sequence number.